G'day guys, episode 12 here. Today we've got an interview with Madison Bird and some footage from round one of the Western Region Series at Warrnambool. Other than that guys, enjoyed the footage and the interview today, not a lot going on. I'm not going to do an outro. Basically today I'm just going to let you know I'm going to start going back to fortnightly videos. Just running out of time during the week to do stuff at the minute, so I'm going to go back to fortnightly videos. And we'll probably have footage from Ararat, which is round two of the Western Regions, for the episode after this one, okay? So, that's about it for today. Nice short video. Enjoy. Catch ya. Also, a bit of a shout out to Karen Morris for taking footage from this episode as well, guys. So, hit her up on her Facebook page, Kaz's Motocross Pictures, I think it is, on Facebook. She always puts pics up from the rounds and stuff. So, yeah, awesome. Cheers for that, Karen.
Madison Bird. I'm from Buckley, which is about 15 minutes out of Geelong. What else was it? I'm a trainee train driver, so I've been in training for about 9 months. This year I'm hoping to do some Western Region races. Hopefully as many Vics as I can, and Fink and Hatter. Results-wise, well, for Fink, I want to be in the top 100. Missed out by 30 positions last year, and I'm not too concerned about how I go in the other rounds. Just want to have fun, be consistent, no injuries. First motorcycle was Suzuki 50. Nah, not anymore. Used to play basketball, but I have a phobia of polystyrene. I can't touch it. No. I just listen to a bit of everything. I like R&B and a bit of hip hop. It's always good to have a good friend circle, find some friends that race as well, and get them together and get excited about events. Flair Barling.